Dapat makopya to. Tsaka ma-auto-populate. Dapat. So, pupunta ako sa Grapevine Renovation. Tapos, what will I put? Para mag-auto-populate siya sa 4.5. Put it here. Ano ang tsura dito? 4562. Total cost of section place in service instruction. Paano kaya? Qualified? Tingnan natin. Hindi. Sa part 179. Tapos pumunta siya. Total cost of service. Total cost of section. I'm going to remove this one. Ano itsura ng 4562? Pero dapat meron to eh. Ano crop reference niyan? Sa cross reference. From asset worksheet to for which the business is and first the yes box is marked on the eligible section 1 side. Sabi ito, this is the asset entry worksheet for which the total of the basis appreciated for asset class 3.5% is greater than 3%. So, either, wala naman ditong 3.5, either 3, 5, 7, 10. Kasi this is land improvements eh. We put no. What happens here? Or dapat this should have no ano. Meron siya eh. Dapat wala kasi tinake na namin yung bonus. Where's the bonus here? Qualified. Pag saan ko qualified, wala siya dapat. Meron pa din eh. Oh. Dapat no. Para walang kulay ito. Can I put it here? Section 1 should be blank unless this line is qualified for section 12.4.5. Either remove the section 1 cell or click yes to eligible section 117 property question. Where's the question about eligible for 179? Wala siya din yun because nilagay ko siya dito. Or if qualified, click yes to the eligible 177 section. Where is the 179? (2023) amount? Ay, ano ba ito nasa display? Disposition pala ito, mali. This one. Yun. Eligible 179 property. So, let's see. Ayun, thank you, Lord. And, we call this, nagsulat siya doon. Ganun pala yun. So, for bonus depreciation, that's how we do it. Okay? Para, pagdating dito sa depreciation report, kita siya roon. Saan na ba yung depreciation report dito? It's bonus eh. Federal, ito. This one, the 25,000. Yun. So, bangga siya. So, 463. Okay. So, this is how we do it.